Hey, thanks for stopping by. This video will take you through how to replace your outlet if it's burned out. And so please just hang tight with me and I will take you through it. I just noticed that this circuit is bad. This outlet is bad right here. And I already checked. I already turned off the voltage using this tool. With this tool, you can plug the other piece. It's over there. With this tool, all I need to do is plug it in and then go to the circuit breaker. Once you find the breaker that controls that outlet, it's gonna turn red, and so you're just gonna turn it off and work. So at this point, I'm just gonna show you how to replace an outlet. Do you know that if you fall, you win every time you get back up again? Yeah, that's what learning is all about. If you don't know something, it's easy to do the wrong thing. It's easy to either burn a house. And so just stay with me and you're gonna learn a lot in this video. And I'm actually see this is already burned out. Yeah, this outlet was burned out due to loose connection for wear and tear over the years, and you can see how burnt it looked. And so you just have to replace the outlet when it looks like it looks terrible. I'm going to let's see if I can make it come in a little bit better. At this point, what I'm doing, I'm just going through and pulling my cables just to make sure I have enough room to work with. And so sometimes you gotta do that. Some of the cables are already very short and you have to try to pull them out and make sure you have enough to work with. And so just stay with me. At this point, just keep in mind where all the cables are connected to, so that when you're putting in the new outlet, you'll know exactly where to connect the new cables. One thing you have to keep in mind too is the tools you're using. Know the size of your cable and use exactly the right tools, as this will be very important. Using the right size. It's a 12 gauge. I'm gonna go with a 12. Just pull it out. It's a little bit difficult because this cable is melted because of the loose connection over time, so it's melted. Yeah, that's why. So I'm gonna cut a little bit deeper so I have enough room to connect. So if you have watched to this part in the video, you're either a handyman, you're either someone who's very interested in the video, you're either someone who wants to do it by themselves, or you're either an electrical engineer. And so my advice is for everyone that is interested in this field to always watch videos like these, because they're very helpful. That's how you learn. A lot of people, especially students, get out of school with no practical knowledge, but if you go through videos like this, you're going to learn a lot about simple hands-on things that you have to know as an electrical engineer. It may even be other areas of engineering, and so please just note that you have to keep practicing, keep watching, keep learning, because it's the best way to get ahead. Well, I usually like to bend my cables, because that way I think they're more they connect better. I know you may be asking, why should I be listening to this guy who has a very heavy accent? Yes, it's my accent. It's my it comes from my mother tongue, and I pronounce things in some way that may not make sense to you, but I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of knowledge that I can pass on, and so do not focus on how I pronounce. If you have maybe some things you want to really understand what I was talking about, please, you can send me a text, you can leave a comment, you can give suggestions on how you want me to be better at how I present my information. And
solid.
Like I said, I'm always ready to learn, ready to share what I learn, ready to, talk to people, ready to. I have a lot of ideas, like I've mentioned before, and I just recently started doing this. But I think every idea is worth sharing because you cannot know everything. There will always be someone that knows something that you don't know, and that is why YouTube is very important, very helpful. So please always take the advantage to get on YouTube, look up something that interests you, keep learning. Learning is a non-ending process, and I bet you will be very different when you keep learning. You keep asking questions, keep engaging in great conversations that can improve your knowledge in the area of interest. And so always keep learning. Learning is, like I said, there is a famous saying that when you stop learning, it is like you have stopped living. And so keep learning, guys.
That's when I'm gonna connect the neutral cables. This will be a little bit challenging. So with the neutral, I'm not really worried about it because I can bend it from this side. So I'm just gonna go here, I'm gonna bend it like that. Yeah, just bend it to make a more solid connection. And then I go, just screw it in. Do the same with the second one. Go in. Make sure I push it in very well. Push it in. Bend the cable. Yeah, it's very solid. And then I am going to bring my neutral cable up here and make sure it is solid so that it is not touching anything when I'm done. I'm just gonna cut out this excess. Cut out the excess. And I'm going to just do that. Screw it in. Solid, so I have a good ground. Now it's good to go. So all I'm gonna do is push it in, sure everything goes in correctly, like that. Make sure this lines up right there. Just have to be careful. Make sure the cables are not touching any part. Okay, just turn on the power. And I can test it using this tool. I have power. That's my neutral. That's my positive line. Everything is working so nice.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. Really appreciate that. If you had liked anything about the video, comment and let us know. And let us know what you want us to talk about or what we would have done better. Thank you so much and have a great day.